the science behind chiropractic adjustments. Now, you do get some various opinions within this. I have a much more physical approach. I believe that one, with spinal adjustments and like physical therapy, physiotherapy, movements, we need both of those to achieve the ultimate result. But then getting the tissue to adhere to that new range of motion or postural pattern, I think is ultimately important, right? What we're looking for here specifically is not to fall in love with the idea of a popping or cracking noise, as that is just the gases releasing in the joint space, but creating that mobility and then ultimately stability that improves all of our form and function.